Hello everyone, it is your favorite streamer Rufio. In this VOD, we were supposed to be updating the styling on the glossary page that we made in our VOD on Monday, which should be the VOD that came right before this one actually. What actually ended up happening was I wanted to see the browser update when we made changes to our CSS or Sass, and it wasn't automatically doing that. We couldn't use live server in VS Code because we were doing server-side rendering, and so we legitimately spent like all of the stream trying to figure out how to do that, and it was the best time. If you're one of those people who are like, I just want my browser to update when I make changes to my code base, whether that's CSS, etc., this VOD is for you. It is for you. It wasn't what we intended on doing, but here we are, and it was still a time. It was good. It was good. Anyway, have fun, kids. What's up, my home-sliced sandwiches? It's Thursday. It's Thursday. It's a good day. I have a white shirt on, and I haven't worn it in a long time, and I don't know why that's relevant information, but it is somehow. Hey, Lark, Eagle, Scotty. Not much. Not much is up. We're going to be working on our glossary today, because you remember how we figured that out last time, and it was fantastic, and we felt very smart and accomplished. We didn't, style it though. Like, we were hoping we can mainly use the styling that we've already had, and we can, but it's not accessible via the homepage or the nav button, and those are things we need to take care of, I think. So hi tag. New AirPod Pros are out with double the effectiveness for noise canceling. OMG. This is the new Eraser 5.0. Slightly bigger than the last one, and for some reason it has this. Now double the price. Buy it now. Have I heard the news about Queen Elizabeth? Yes. To all citizens of the UK, I'm sorry. But I'm also really happy because I feel like when you get really old, you're just fucking tired of living and life sucks and your body hurts. My step-grandpa was like that. Once I asked him how he was doing, I was like, "What's up, Frank? How are you doing?" He was like, "Every day I get a little worse." And I was like, "Oh, that's really sad. I hope you die." And then he didn't die for 5 years, and he suffered every day of those 5 years. So I don't know how she was, but I don't want her or anyone else to suffer, so I'm happy for her. Does that make sense? AirPod Pros don't like your ears. Mine either. I'm so I can't do things in my ears. It hurts. Take two. She had a rough couple of years, did she? You imagine having royal healthcare reduces suffering significantly. True, but I mean, there's only so much that any healthcare, even the best in the world, could do, Your grandpa died this year too. Getting old is... Your dad's getting old? The queen has died. Charles is gonna have a party when he gets his crown. Dude's like 60, right? Same thing with your grandpa. It's so sad. Yeah. So... You're gonna have loads of days off work in the next couple of weeks because of this? Because of like the funeral and things like that? Don't like what my little hair is doing. It's like sticking out and I'm not feeling that. But it is in a ponytail today, and that is unusual because my hair is very short. National mourning? Oh. Well, I mean, I don't want to say like that's nice, but it's nice to have work off. He hates being old. Nothing he likes anymore. He just sits in his chair and stares at the TV, but the TV is off. Oh my god, that is so sad. My step-grandpa really loved sports, and all he could do was just watch them, and he couldn't play them, and I think that was really upsetting to him. It's just... Yeah, all the bank holidays? Holidays? Nice. But again, for anyone that is sad about this, I'm sorry. And I hope she isn't suffering anymore. I assume she was suffering. Maybe I shouldn't assume. So shitty, right? Yeah, my grandma hit a point. I only have one grandparent left. It's my grandma, who is married to my step-grandpa. And she, like, will just, like, say things, and she'll be like, yep, I'm kind of fucking done with this shit. Like, not, she doesn't swear. But, like, she'll, like, say things like that, and she'll be like, hope the Lord takes me soon. Want to go to your grandpa. I'm just done with this, you know? And again, she doesn't say it so blatantly, but it's kind of funny and it's kind of sad. Because, I don't know, you know? Anyway. Coding. Shall we? Okay, so this is what we did last time. It's sad. This is what we did last time, remember? We made our, wait a second. Let's launch our little server. My terminal's been kind of funky today. Wait, I think actually I say node mon, okay. Yep, onto the code. So anyway. At 8 then. So it's localhost 8000. Why did I pick that number? I don't know. God, fuck. Guess what, y'all? I was just minding my own business, living my life, and my mom texted me. And my mom was like, I'm watching your streams or a stream of yours right now, like the last one from Monday. And you know, this is unusual news because no one in my family watches my streams. My sister comes occasionally. But my mom hates swearing. Just hates it. You'll send her a meme that has a swear word in it and she won't even read the meme or think it's funny. Well, you know how I do swear a lot here, like a lot. I swear so much. There's much swearing. And so when she said that she was watching my stream, I just had like an immediate like panic response. I was like, oh no, like there's nothing I can do about it now because I didn't know. I couldn't stop her, but she's hearing it and I don't know what she thinks and I thought of that like meme from The Simpsons where it's got, I don't remember the child's name, but that child in the bus that says, I'm in danger. Yep, that was me. That was me. And it's okay because this has a happy ending. I was like, I sent her a message. I was like, oh, are you now? Well, that's really nice of you. I'm sorry it swears so much, but thank you. No one else has ever done that in the family. That's very kind of you. And then she sent me a response where she was like, I don't know why, but it's entertaining. Here, wait, let's see what she said. She said, She says, I like watching it. I don't know why, but it is entertaining. The only thing I don't like is the expletives. I don't understand the coding, but I like the interaction between you and the others watching. So that was interesting. Anyway, this side story was an interesting moment in my life. This is actually wholesome. I was expecting something bad. Me too. I really was, knowing how anti-swearing she is and how much I swear here. But like, I don't know. It's interesting. I haven't ever really understand why people like streaming or watching streaming. It's so boring to me, but clearly y'all see something of value here, and as does she, you know? Not awkward. That's amazing. Your mom totally supports you. Well, not totally, but like mostly. She supports me in this endeavor, apparently. I didn't even know she knew, one, where I streamed or like how to get there. She didn't ask my sister, I don't think. So I'm not sure, but I do appreciate her support. What's a Twitch exactly? I think she must have been on Twitch. Yeah. Wait, interpret that for me, Scam. Maybe she's here right now. If you are, hi Mom. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. Caught me by surprise a little bit last time, but I like having you here. Doing well, yeah. Dakota, how are you? We're just talking about how my mom watched one of my streams, not live, but it was interesting. Anyway. Hi Rufio's mom, you cool. All right. So if you remember, this is our online talking dictionary. Okay, you know what? This is kind of messing up my groove. Our online talking dictionary is a Native American language preservation effort sort of things for Southern Paiute. We wanted to make it so the language was more accessible and also bring it into the modern age by having it accessible through the internet. In addition, so you could hear it with like audio parts so the sound of language isn't lost any further. And big G, and that's awesome and wholesome. I'm glad you're good. So last time, someone told me once that I should make like a glossary here because you don't know what words are available. And so last Monday, we did that. We made the glossary. As you see, it's clearly fancy as fuck and very good, especially that word. Yeah. So it only really has these two real words in the database. The rest of it was me testing, as you can see. Testing. This is a test. Will this work? Will this work? Yo. Was I getting bored maybe? I don't know. I can't remember. The native tongue is it's pronounced another one. Love it. So it's using some of the styling, as you can see, that is already in the application, but I'm not sure. I think there must be some styling we've got to fix here. Look at all those Paiute words, yeah. Check this one. Check this one. DJ Khaled. Does it work? And also we don't have like access. I think I want to put glossary up here in whatever this is called, the nav bar. And then we can have it like next, like maybe right here. And then we'll have to make sure that this fits on mobile. Let's check how this looks on mobile first of all. Okay. You know, that's not bad. Less work than I thought. And if we like fix this like that, I do have to change the hosting from Heroku to something else because Heroku's getting rid of their free tier. And who uses the free tier? I do. So we have more stuff to do. DJ Khaled is my favorite Paiute word. Yeah, Heroku. I don't really super care except for the fact that like I used it and then I have to redo stuff. I'm thinking this looks okay-ish. Do you think this looks okay-ish? Hey, Aragorn, thanks for follow. I actually don't like what this is doing with its life. This should be like the exact same as. Wait. Call it? Wait, no. Rufio. How about that? There we go. Does this look weird to have this sitting where it is? Hold on, my sister's calling me. Okay. Too centered? Or it's like, it's not quite centered though. Like it's like off. It's not in the middle of the page, nor is it over there. Spun up a railway instance in 5 minutes the other night. Get 500 hours free. So what does that mean, 500 hours free? Not sure what happens after that. Interesting. Yeah, that's one of the ones I heard about. If y'all have good suggestions for Heroku replacements that are free dollars, let me know. Okay, so we think that this looks a bit misaligned. So a long time ago, I redid all of the CSS in Sass. Now that was like 6 months ago. So if I don't remember Sass super well, you know. So we are using in this page the style CSS. Okay, cool, nice. Do you remember if I liked Sass? Yeah, I liked it. It made sense. So, I mean, I'm just going to assume that we don't actually know Sass here, although I'm sure the majority of you do. The idea of Sass is it's a compiler, so it just lets you write, oh, you know, wait a second. Yeah, it just lets you write more like user-friendly CSS, and then the compiler will take that and it will change it to regular CSS later. So this isn't really a good example. None of this is a good example, actually. What about this one? So you can see how in Sass things are kind of nested. So instead of saying content body search space back button, I can say content body search and I say, oh, back button's in there, so it's nested. And I say, oh, .fas or whatever it is, I don't know, is in that. Done to 450 hours after setting up on Tuesday. I guess it's always live until you tell it otherwise. 500 is every month. Oh, interesting. But once you run out, it turns off. Okay, 9 days a month, your app is off. Interesting. Sass is just CSS for people who are extra. Hello, did someone say my name? Sass is for the sassy friend in Deb. Yeah, so like I like it, or I liked it. I can't super remember, but it's weird like this had to, oh, I was like, I thought this had to move over, but everything here is in content body search. Now, we have our style CSS page, and this one is really simple as well, because kind of like React, you can like, not import, because you're not actually importing, but import like styles. So the search results Sass was all specifically related to the search results page, and you see I have one for the footer and the nav and the home page, and you can reuse that in different pages. So like if we go to the home page, for some reason I thought we used the nav in here, but we don't. But like you see it's like a little bit cleaner is the idea. And I don't remember it being particularly hard either, so hopefully it won't be hard for us to just pick back up. Your cat's name is Sassafras, so you feel obligated to learn Sass. Do it. Also, what a bomb cat name. Never used any Sass functionality that you know of. Seems like such a minor improvement. I learned it for the jobs. Not that any of them are necessarily asking for them at this point, but like in case they were, I wanted to be like, oh yes, I know Sass. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So the search results page is where this is living with its life, you know? So let's do this. I like to put it on the very, very smallest, which is this one. Okay. We're just gonna, don't do that to me, Windows 11. Do that. It's gonna be side by side, baby. Wow. We've done this before. Do you remember? I remember doing it, but I can't remember doing it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so right now, we got this little button, baby. And we want to fix it. I'm just trying to think. Where is the glossary even getting its styling? You know? Like, how does it know? Because if we look at the general style, I guess we have this happening, but I don't know. Yeah, this is what it has, and it's importing all of those, okay. Hey, Grat, what's up? The other alternatives, and not as user-friendly. Replit, render, cyclic, Koyep. I heard about the render one. I like looked at and tweet that told me about it. So that's what I'm going off of here. Okay, wait a second. Stop it. Okay, cool. Nice. Good. So this baby Build your own server to host it. DevOps Rufio. No. I don't know. We could, I guess, but I mean, eventually I probably will have to do something like that is paid, but that's when I have money for it. Yeah, I can do that, Roberto, but the problem was it's just so small and I'm gonna have to like undo everything, but it's okay, we're here now, we can do it. So if we look at this baby, hello baby, so we can see there's some hella padding, I think, that is pushing this to the middle. I actually think it would be kind of content body, wait a second, content body and content body search. Content body, content body. I'm just gonna go here and see content body. There it is, content body search. I only have one media query. I think that's, we'll look at this back button padding left. 5 rems of padding. Hey, don't judge me. Rufio's not a great coder, and this was Rufio from, let's see. No, doesn't it like tell me normally? Me 5 minutes ago. No. Bruh, 6 months ago. This is Rufio from 6 months ago. Yeah. So, I just want to see for a sec. Just gonna move this back over here. Thank you, baby. We're just gonna fuck around and see. It should autosave, so we should see. Did it do a thing? Wait a second. I don't think it's doing anything. You think that was young Rufio? Hashtag young Rufio. I don't think that's doing anything. So that's at 7:30. So I guess that's where we would see the difference, but okay, wait a second. What if we do this? Damn it. Okay. Okay, so I do see that it moved like that. But it just looks maybe a little bit odd. Like maybe it needs to be a little bit tighter and this needs to be up in this corner. What do we think? Set born? Did I F5? No. What does F5 do? I'm scared. I don't wanna try it because I'm cautious. So 7:30, I could do 375. It refreshes. Oh, I see. Okay. So don't be scared of it is what we're saying, huh? So I think what I remember, Araz helped me a lot with this, if y'all remember Araz. We didn't want hella media screens, but media queries. But what do we think about doing a media query for this one? Same as Control R? Oh yeah, I do Control R. Also thanks for following, no to like. DJ Khaled sucks. Well, I mean the definition of DJ Khaled doesn't suck though. Don't deny it. I'm thinking that maybe we change shit up. 3 queries seems to be the norm. Interesting. So what is like the mobile one? So my problem, Lark, was I didn't do this mobile first. Yep. Your favorite born? Well, you will have fun here today. Didn't change much, TBH. Regardless, I think maybe 400 is a good, no, 412. 412 is a good, Dan, thanks for the sub. 6 months of glorious channel points and camaraderie and gambling. Always the gambling. You might have a problem, Dan. Mobile's around 400 or less. Okay, that's good. You only have the best problems. So the thing is, Lark, like that's good if you're doing mobile first, but I already didn't do it mobile first, you know? And I'm all for mobile first, but this was like my first big project and I didn't know best practices or anything and just kind of fucking went for it. And I'm glad I did because I got stuff done, sort of. I mean, here we are almost a year later, but still, like, still. So what if we do this and we can do another media query? We can say at media screen. Oh, rude. And max width 400 pixels, right? Mobile last is the way to go. It's like the old saying sometimes. You just have to put your hand in the... No. Gross. It's like a blender in the sink. But I get what you're saying. But like, ew. What you're trying to say is edit your current CSS without fear of breaking the bigger screens. Hand in the blender. Why would you do this to me? I don't want this in the VOD. I don't want to talk about gross... Ugh. It's like Halloween stuff. I'm not a Halloween fan, y'all. I'm just... Gross stuff is just not my jam. You know? Okay. So, Halloween is great. My soldier. Wait. Wait. People don't just speak Paiute up in here. Who are you? Hadoania. Would we pour a form to ask for a custom Coast card with the theme blender hands? You could, but I'm just gonna put like a hand holding a blender, so. Or a person with like hands like this, but they're blenders. Edward Blender hands, exactly. Doritsi Ayak. Yeah, soldiers speaking Paiute to me. This is Paiute in action. The mystery. Wait, soldier, have you seen this before? Blender for hands is tempting. It's not as cool as scissors for hands, but okay. Okay, let me just move my stuff. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna respond to that soldier, but my brain just went to Indonesian. Ayaki movai, but you already told me. Better for smoothies. Yeah, but how would you make the smoothies if your blenders are hands? You know? You have to have someone else help you. Could work for like Vitamix and be like, blenders for hands, and just like blend stuff and be like, wow, these are Vitamix blenders. But maybe you can't replace the blenders. I don't know. Edward Blender hands, right? Use feet to load blender. The talent. Can you imagine? I mean, I guess you could kind of like put your hand down, but still like put it on your foot level. This is a weird conversation. I'm going to be honest with you. Okay. Scroll, baby, scroll. So we know that Ayak soldier. This is the mobile version. So I can show you how it looks bigger. But yeah, this is how it looks bigger. But we just barely added a glossary on Monday. Hello? Anyway, these are all very real Paiute words. But in case you just want to see all of them in the database. Now we're just trying to make it look good when it's on phones. It's Tyler. Hi, Tyler. Welcome. How did you find me, out of curiosity? Yeah, Tyler is Paiute. I worked with them in college. I should have figured, because of your username. Yeah, so we've been working on this for a while. It's been getting better, but it has a lot that it needs to do first. LinkedIn, oh nice. Sorry, no, don't feel sorry. John's hopped in here too, actually. Also via LinkedIn, so welcome to Rufio's Den of Debauchery. That's us. Yeah. So I'm thinking we're getting pretty close with this, with the dictionary. We need to make it look good, like I just said, and we need to add glossary to this little list now that we have it, and fill out the alpha page and add like authentication, so not just anyone. Isn't this weird looking? Does that look weird? Look at that. What the Look at this. I can't zoom in without like, you see that? It's like offset. That may be something else to also fix. But we want to make it so people can't, not just anyone can add entries to the database. So, but yeah, here, let's show Tyler an actual word here. Wait a second. So this is what it looks like so far. And there's our little audio clip. The CSS is breaking down. Structural integrity at 83%. Want to see something amazing? Do I? Did you get the contract with the warning? Try putting your arrow on top left corner for mobile. I think that's a good idea. But this is not doing the thing. This looks pretty good right now, I'll be honest with you. But oh, you know what it is? It's because we're not in the place that we were working. Glossary. Ayak. Tyler, thanks for dropping in. Feel free to hang out as long as you want. Yeah, you may want to use full width on mobile. Yeah, yes. How best to do that, I'm not sure, but yes, that sounds like yes. You made this for Halloween 2 years ago. It better not be a person with blender hands. Ah, that is very much not blender hands, I approve. Wow. That's really cool, Born. Y'all amaze me. How in the hell did you do that? That looks so good. Wow. And as lighting. Oh. Oh, you made this. Oh, they're foam skulls. Wow, that was really cool, Born. You're right. Writing media queries by hand. Wait, what is the other way to do it? I rule. And are so humble. Okay. So if we... I wish I could show 2 screens right now. This is just... And I wish I could pop out. I know you can pop this out in Chrome, but can you do it in Firefox? Anyway, so you have no carpenter experience? Wow. How chunky. So this is content body. Search. So we got content body search. Here's our padding. So let's just change that up, Buttercup. Hello? How did I turn myself off? What the fuck? I apologize. Thank you. I genuinely do not know how to... Oh, you know what? I know what it is. I pressed F5. That mutes me. That's a hotkey on my keyboard. But I was trying to reload the page. Alright. Noted. Duly noted. I love my life. It's so good. What was the last thing y'all heard? So I can go back there. Your list seems to have a fixed width. Results. Here's our results. Display flex. Can see. Because we have our padding 0 aligned center. Note to self, never F5. It was a hotkey I hotkeyed though. So I think you'd be fine. But note to me, no F5. Mistakes were made, damn it. I am just realize that I did not give you the link to this. And maybe you want the link to this repo so you can see the code I am looking at. Okay. Right. God, this is why you look at your code more often than not. So we can kind of see it. Very tiny. Okay. This is our results, right? Does it have a... Hello. Wait, what happened to my cool hover thing? I think it's this padding, but I swear to God I took that off. I guess not. Content body search. Better, maybe? Interesting. Would you consider buying bigger headphones? Only if they were like this big. Content body search. Right. Fine. They would be amazing. Find them. I'm gonna put that on you. So we have our content body search here. I don't know where our content body is though. Wait, it says in style CSS. Wait, it just says flex 1. Where the fuck is the rem coming from? It says style CSS line 42. It says right here. So, why? Wait a second. Did it just change? Wait. What are we talking about with this now? I forgot. It still's got these like this space around it. What do you think that is? Let's fuck around and see. Nothing. Content body. Flex grow 1 is not a thing. Interesting. We thought we were trying to reduce the padding on the left and right. Looks like a container. It says section body. It says it's right here, right? Content body search. Like this is okay, tiny. This is tiny. So we got all of our like partials and whatnot. And this is our main style file. I enjoyed that. And we're just tapping into this part, but what about the results class? Didn't we just mess with that? This is what it has. Oh, you know what? Look, it has more. Good. Yes, good job. Good job, Lark. 5 months ago. Okay, so what if we just take this? Steal it. Like thieves in the night. We're just going to put it down here just because I'm not going to scroll up and down to look for it. Was there a justify center in results? It says results, it actually just has one color. So there is align self center, so yes. Doesn't appear to be doing much, to be honest with you. Interesting. What about this? Disappointing. Keep going up. All right. And which media query are we currently in? So this isn't a media query, but this would be the PC version. We're trying to do mobile. Change viewport width to 100. Where? I've heard that's a bad thing. What are our feelings on viewport height and width? So we did this, and did that even do anything? Like, honest to God, did that do anything? No, it didn't. So let's just start messing around with this, shall we? What if we say not applicable? Is this doing anything? Is anything we do working? No. Why doesn't this work? It should refresh automatically. I have auto save on. P save. Yeah. Not anymore. Okay, so how do I make it anymore again? How do I make it do it again? Another. Give it a background color. Good idea. Background color. Orange, baby. What happened to my live resave? Look, I think I took it off. Look, I don't get that dot anymore. No, it's just not working. Great, great. Great. What the fuck? Why is this not working? Are we in the media query? Yes. Go live on the bottom. Well, normally yes, but I'm using EJS and like I have a node server running right now. Okay, if we're gonna do all this, actually, I probably should stop messing with stuff like this. Body background red. This should work no matter what size you're at, though. Oh my god, I've made this mistake before, Rufio. We have to run the compiler. How do I do that again? I've literally made this mistake before where I was like, why isn't it working? This is why it's not working. What excellent sound quality that phone has. Thank you, Xenomorph. I appreciate it. Okay, but again, like, what is the command? I guess I can look up the command in my, oh my god, why would I do this again? It's been 6 months, that's why. Scrolly. Sass -- watch, right? Sass -- watch. Or I think I have to do this. Sass -- watch. Watch. No, actually, I think I just say npm run SCSS. I'm right. All right, y'all. Now let's... Hello? Well, I think we may have to use another terminal. Because we do want that to keep doing the thing that it's doing, so... Oh, yes. Okay, so we can say nodemon. You know me. Definitely the script master. We're all like, why isn't this working? My god. If only one could combine commands, can you? I'm sure you can. Again, I'm just a baby coder, and I did this when I was baby. So this is still red, right? It should be doing the thing. There it is, big. Weird. Because it really should be working now that we're running Sass. Hi, Alan, what's up? We are struggling with Sass right now, so yay, love that for us. Leave your files in memory or outdating. Try restarting the localhost, but I just did. Like, we stopped it in this one, and then we did it in this one. So I have 2 terminals, but I can redo. Oh, you're right. Okay, thank you. Surprise, SHAWTY, it works! God, my eyes. I can't stop looking at it. Wow. It's very eye-catching. Like, I'll look away and then, like, see it again in the corner of my eye and I have to look back at it. God, it's awful. Love it. Alright. The moral of the story, folks, is if you're using Sass, you gotta run the compiler. We talked about the compiler, right? You gotta run the compiler, and then you gotta run your server, and then you gotta reload the browser page. Learning. But look, it's not automatically doing the stuff. Oh my god, what a pain in the ass. Is there a way to make it so I don't have to reload this every time? Because I just choked on my words. I had to just reload that. All right. There sure is. What is it? You cheat? Ah. I enabled autosave here. I don't know what this is, but I did. Hi, J3. What's up? question. Do you enjoy the struggle more when it's like styling and front end, or when it's back end and with a database? I think I might like struggling more in back end. Like, I like it when front end works, it's so fun, but it is not working and I'm offended. You don't like struggle? Okay, well, I mean, fair enough. Hey Sticks, thank you for the follow. What the fuck? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. The CSS struggle is rough because there are no informative errors. Suggest looking into Vite.js. When set up properly, it takes care of all the preview loading stuff. I have never heard of Vite.js. Alan conceptualizes backend more. Though front-end problems are a pain in the ass. Problems in the backend you can logic way out of. If that button isn't in the right place on the page, you ain't got no clue. That's how I feel, actually. Like you can eventually kind of find the problem, I feel like, with backend, but in frontend, you're just like, I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. Where is the problem? I don't fucking know, you know? It should auto refresh when the compiler's on. So why isn't it, do you think? If we go to this one, it's doing its thing, right? It says it's compiling. Sticks, you love CSS? Well, do you know why our Sass wouldn't be redoing itself or whatever? Hello, it's Rufio. What if your mom is watching? True. Sorry, Mom. CSS is just a guessing game. Or like the Riddler in computer form. Survivor of the first browser wars. Okay, wait a second. We're gonna make this bigger. Is this like a VS Code thing? Do you think this is a VS Code thing? How do I get to big command palette? This isn't what I'm looking for. I was supposed to say hi to your mom and hope she's having a great day. Tyler, earlier today, yesterday or the day before, my mom messaged me and she's like, I'm watching your streams, and she hates swearing, and I swear a lot. And so that's what we're referencing, is like, if I'm cussing up a storm, what if she's watching? What's not working is not auto saving. We can't see like the changes, you know? Like if we do that, it should just auto refresh, right? But it's not. So how do I make that be a thing? I think it's a VS Code thing, isn't it? Oh, then you still say hi, Mom. Okay. Hi, Mom. Thanks for being here. How was that? Wraith, I can share the repo with you. I shared it a little earlier in chat. Here we go. So you can look at all the code if you feel like it. Until when there's a -- watch. So this is, okay, words are hard. -- watch. Great, if she's here, she loved it. Well, sorry for speaking on behalf of your mom. You're right, though. I should be more respectful. Maybe you're talking to her right now. Conspiracy. Yeah, shouldn't it, if it has the watch flag? I know I've done it before. Sometimes you had to stop the script and restart. I mean, we can do that. So if we go up again, let's try it again. Okay. But this still should be red now. Oh, you know what? Wait a second. I don't know if it was working before or not, but it should be. Yep. There we go. Yep. Hey, unnamed. Thanks for follow. I think we want this to be like 450. Just saying, cause. But see, look, it's 438, and it didn't save the new max width. Why didn't it do that? But if we refresh, it works. Just there's a better way to do this. You know? You know, without seeing what it says, it kind of looks like it's saying fuck this one. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at this. See if it is. So it just compiled it, right? All right, I'm looking it up. How to auto refresh browser page via VS Code? Maybe. With live server, but we're not using live server. I've done this before where it would work. Why is this the problem we're having today? This is not even, like, we're supposed to work on styling, not making Sass work. Hey, Chip, thanks for follow. Right-click on the HTML file and start live server. So it's not going to work because it's not an HTML file. It's a EJS file. So it will just give me a beautiful directory. Shall we? My God, it's gorgeous. What's up, Lil Freezy? Yeah. But isn't there a place where you can like enable the autosave? Because this is toggle it. So if we click it again, now it should be untoggled, right? Yeah, see, look, it's not auto-saving anymore. But if we save it now, it doesn't refresh. You need to run npm run start. So I think I have nodemon, which I think does the exact same thing, but maybe, hello? It doesn't. So start npx nodemon server.js or whatever. Hey Nito, thanks for the follow. Right? Could we say npm run start maybe instead of nodemon? I don't know why we'd want to do that because nodemon is supposed to do the automatic stuff for us, right? npm run. Wait, npm start? Is that a thing? No, it's not. Wrong. Okay. Sass watch command will watch your Sass files and convert them to CSS. It's not responsible for reloading them in the browser. Well, maybe I'm just pranking myself. Maybe I always had to super reload all the time. What are we doing, Bowie? We're trying to do styling, but we're using Sass, and we're also trying to say once we make like a change in the styling, this should automatically like reload, you know? But it's not, and we're trying to figure out how to do that. You can set up a nodemon config. I think we did though, right? Here? What extensions do I have? Source control is not one of them, I guess. Get Lens, Live Share, App Map, To-Dos, and Thunder Client. Try to do styling every day. It was auto-loading previously, right? I think so, though it has been 6 months. So. Punike Vam Soldier. Thanks for hanging out. It's always nice to see you. Sasquatch looks like it's pointing to a specific directory. It's pointing to the style file. Browser sync? So, does it matter if I'm not using Tailwind Freezy? Browser synced testing. Start browser sync. If you're only using HTML files, you'll need to use the server mode. So wait, where do you put this? In the package.json file? Oh, you have to make a new a nodemon file? So you had something like this? The me file? I just got that. It took me a while. SCSS? So would this work the way it is? Do I have to restart this? Nodemon. Okay. So, I mean, I saw it restart, but it's not orange. Unless I manually reload it. Look at Rufio all serious and shit. I'm very irritated that this is happening. This is not even what we're supposed to be working on right now. But I don't want to keep manually reloading it. Maybe I should. I don't know. Why? Red? I can't click F5 Freezy. I did that and I accidentally muted myself because I made it a hotkey in Streamlabs. Hot reloading not working. Yeah, Blackboard, we've been working on it for like 20 minutes and I'm not sure how to do it. We just barely tried to do this. Control R works. That's what I do. And I do that, but I don't want to keep doing that, you know? Eloquent me. Thank you. Annoying. A lot of this is just the Go Live. How come the Go Live extension can do it? Am I on WSL? No. I'll just have the web a bit before class. See ya.
Catch me outside. How about that?
How about that? Browser sync works for Alan as well. Installed globally. Oh, iDrop time too. Okay. Okay, all right. All of the things. Okay, there we go. Okay. You're VIP now, are you? Oh yeah, you did. What does that mean? I don't know. Honestly, I don't. But people seem to value it, so there you go. It's the thought that counts. Yeah, I really don't get VIP, but again, people seem to value it, so it's a redemption. Wow, 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 wow. All right, Blackboard. Just send me the name you want to address to, the idea, and your address on Discord or wherever you want to. Oh. Why is this the problem? Should I just like suck it up and just do Control R? What do we think? Oh, sorry. Hey, Tucker, what's up? How's interviewing going for you? Were you still doing that? But actually, what do we think? Should I just... We have 15 minutes left of this part of stream, so... Do the manual refresh for now. All right. All right. Starting for the bottom, and we're still here, so... Still doing some, but work is getting busy again. Okay. There you go. Getting ready for Hunttober, though? Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so awful. So awful. Much better. This is interesting. Look how small it is, and it's like kind of not working. Oh, you know what? It's probably because I took something away. What did I do? Look. Okay. All right. My star script is the issue? Okay. Why? What is the name of the folder with the code files? Southern Paiute Dictionary, I think? Boy and Blackboard just trying to help me out. Is it source? I don't think I have one actually, because I have a views folder, a utilities folder, a SAS folder, or a views folder, I should say, and then a SAS folder, route public models, middleware. You have to watch every single one of those that have your code in them. That sucks. Would everything get fucked up if I stuck everything in a source folder? What do we think? Place nodemon server JS with nodemon -- watch views watch sass watch modify your imports accordingly. What do you mean? Okay. I have to do it on every single folder? Or could I just do it on like the front end ones, because those are the only ones I actually need to have this be a thing for? Maybe. Try it to refresh when you modify a file, then watch it. Would it, Wraith? That might not be a today thing, if that is something we're doing. What if we just do that? Yes. Blackboard, yes. Let's see if this works. Should it work at this point? No. Color. Red. You can have a -- watch at the end. It should be -- watch sass server JS. Oops. I don't understand why this is, but if it works, that's fine. So shouldn't it be doing the thing now, though? You know what's fun about coding? Hour and a half is like not enough time to get anything done. Which is kind of... To restart your node instance? Okay. All right. Our favorite. So should it have done it? You can't just not run nodemon without any parameters? Wait, but that's what I always do. Like always. It works normally just fine. I know, I'm like, if I have an hour, you're like, should I even start? Lol, of course yes, but yeah. Why can't I use nodemon? It was getting mad the last time I did it, I feel like. Yep, see, look. Maybe I need to get rid of app map. It can still take you 2 hours to send a div retweet. It's taken me an hour to try and figure out why this won't hot reload. It should start with nodemon. Most interesting stream ever, right? But now I have to just say npm run. Wait, what was it? The thing that was supposed to say? There we go. Start. Okay. Should it be doing the thing? Or do I have to reload this? Because we started a new one. Wait a second. Let's try this again. Sometimes the live server doesn't work. So I'm not on live server actually. That's the big problem. It's not working. FML. It's fine. Everything is fine. Why isn't it working? That's Sass. This is Sass. But I don't need Sass. Because we did on the other one. Because this is what's compiling stuff. So much fun. Wondering if I need to watch that public folder. Oh, as well. We can do it. We can say -- watch public, baby. Do it again. Another one. nodemon doesn't watch CSS. We wrote this though. I don't know. Oh, right. Oh, it ran Sass here too already. So maybe I don't need that actually. So Sass is watching for changes. It did restart. You're not wrong. It's just being a little bitch. Restarting the terminal, just not in the browser. Yeah, so that's the problem. It's not the terminal, it's the browser. It's always the browser. Never fix it, never. Try restarting the browser, like this whole window, or just like reloading. Because like I know that works, but that's, you know. At this point, you would have restarted your whole computer. Can try adding L right after nodemon. L? If I disable caching in the browser? No, I don't think so. I don't exactly know what that means, but. nodemon-E. dash. I just joined in time to hear you call your code a bitch. Perfect timing. It's not even the code. We've been trying to get this to do live reload for like a half an hour now, and it won't do it. But I guess I did call it what it was the code. Welcome. What a positive environment this is. Okay, wait a second. What was I supposed to do? Network tab. Network tab. Disable cache. What does that do? You often use creative terms for an error handling as well. So we did the cache thing. So what now? I know that's a thing. Right, right. It's doing all the shit. Restart the server. Okay. Suppose I can do that. NPM start. Okay. I kind of like this color. What do we say we leave it? Okay. So. Hello? It hates us. I don't know why I need this to be a thing so bad, but we want it to work, damn it. The live reload will recompile the server and then just refresh the browser page. Do I want to auto refresh the page? Yes. Developers. You love when your code kicks your ass. I do if we figure it out. You know what I'm saying? Sup, X? It is a very pretty color scheme, thank you. It looks professional, I think. I think this looks like a professional grade website. What do we think? Thank you. Exactly, CD, exactly. Only if you get it right. So, watch. What the fuck? Wait, that is so not the color it's supposed to be right now. We've completely messed it up. Now it's not even doing the color we want it to do. Why? We fucked up. It's permanent. It's permanent now. It's permanent. This is why you don't try to get auto refresh for your browser. Color's not even real anymore. Node 1 has no capability to reload the browser. So wait, are we saying that everything we've been doing isn't even going to auto refresh the browser? Bright colors are retro, which means they're stylish. Obviously, I personally like to wear turquoise. Baby? Baby? Why are you red? I'm freaking out. Oh, wait a second. I don't know. Is that the thing I turned off, Alan? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my god. Do I have a primary color sitting at the top? Are you talking about this color? We want this color? It's gray. Is that the caching thing? Did me turning off the caching thing fuck shit up? Or no? I didn't install it. Also, everyone who's going to 100 devs, please let me know when we should raid. Leon hasn't gone online yet, but I'm leaving it up to y'all whether you want to get there a little early or like right as the, I don't know, whatever whatever it is that's happening at the top of the document. And we're sending 100 devs to class for everyone else, and then we're gonna get on in like 15 minutes after whenever we end. And then we're going to work on our 100 Rejections React Next.js project, which, if you remember us working on last time, was very dramatically a failure. But today's going to be different. It's using browser sync. But I don't have... Do I need to download that? Is that the thing that... Who was saying that? Sync. You've used NPM's live server and serve packages to test front ends. NodeMon handles the backend and SASS. Watch handles recompiling CSS, and then either live server, or maybe browser sync handles. Everything is hard. Everything is hard when you're a programmer. What is 100 rejections? The idea was like to have 100 stars, and whenever you get a rejection for a job, you can click the star. And so you're to be, okay, words are hard. You're trying to get 100 rejections, but you're not actually trying to get 100 rejections. The point is, if you're trying to like do interviews, hopefully you'll get a job before 100 rejections. Sync D. All right. I'll have our raid command ready. But it will take just a few seconds for the raid to like do stuff, you know. Welcome, Milk. FPM uninstall browser sync. So much peer pressure in chat. It's so much fun. Aren't we having fun? Browser sync. Who knew this would be my greatest enemy? And this permanent red that isn't even a neon color. Damn it. It's just devastating. I did the thing right. So now I say npm run start. Oh, it said cannot get. And it opened in a completely different... This is what it's saying. It's like, fuck no. Anyway, it's saying fuck no. So a wonderfully confusing stream. Peace out. Get me the hell out of here. I know it sucks, doesn't it? I would like to see this work. We probably won't. Hello, what's this stream about? Well, right now it's about browser sync not working. Syncing browsers. Did I get a 10? I did not. Alright, see you, Xenomorph. You're so close. Okay, we will finish this, how about at the very beginning of the next stream, which is in like 15 minutes, and then we'll do the React. How does that sound? Sold. Yeah, thanks for hanging out. So what is the thing that I'm trying to do here? Who knows? Not me. I'm just completely lost, so that's cool. It makes sense, Marble, but why is it not working? Oh god, we fucked everything up. We're doomed. This is why we can't have nice things. Why is everything so confusing? Didn't I? I literally copied that, did I not? Drink. Passes start all over. Woof. Alright, here I'm going chugging. 5, 6. Okay, that was 5. I stopped counting how many you had because there were so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 6 more gulps. Okay. Always begin. All right, let's head out, y'all. We'll be back on in 15 minutes. Have fun at class, 100 devs, okay? We're back. We're back. So we were just live. And we were working on getting browsers synced to work on another project. But the thing is, like, that wasn't even what we're working on. But regardless, we had some people in chat who were like, we're almost there. We almost got it figured out. All right. Browser sync, man. Who knew? Ow, my back hurts. It was such a pain in the ass. It really is, though. It kind of sucks. Let's do it. So, we are working on an online talking dictionary. We're using Sass, and we're using Node, but we just barely installed this browser sync thing. And it's not quite working, and I wasn't paying very close attention as to why that might be, but I haven't closed anything. You do get that gratification hit, though, when everything works. Yes, I mean, you're right. There's no better feeling in the world, but, like, will I? Because I'm just kind of irritated at this, not, like, irritated and this will be worth it kind of, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so we ran this. So if we do it again, it says we gotta do this bin.js shit. Bin.js app source. Where is it? What? What does it want from us? Is it saying this server.js should be bin.js? No, it is not actually. Cool. Nice. Happy for us. Or you just do this? What is it telling me? Okay, wait a second. So why is it telling me all this shit about bin.js if it's not even a thing, a real thing? Okay, wait a second. I gotta text my mom. She is calling me. Okay, cool. You know, all of this could have been avoided if I had just been happy with not having auto refresh in my browser. No, that's fine, Dan. You can hang out there if you want to. Leon's pretty amazing. So. Hey, Hamdi, what's up? I don't understand what it is, one, that we're doing, and two, what this wants from me. Because when we run the command that Blackboard gave us, it doesn't like it. This one? Oh, not that one. It was this one, I think. That one. Leon already knows all the stuff I could help him with. Yeah, but there are lots of people there who don't. Ow, my back. My lower back. This is why you should sit in a good position and not in whatever I was sitting. Whatever position that was. Ow. Okay. Modify your start script. There's 1,000 angry piranhas, devs in that chat. npx browser sync server.js. And, oh, just, like, down here? Okay, so it just gave me this. You should always use npm run start. Wait, I'm so confused. Where am I supposed to put stuff? Are you saying up here I should say server.js instead of all of this, or just say server.js right here? Hello, baby. No, it still hates it. Because of course it does. Of course it does. I'm not trying to be negative, but this is being dumb. I shouldn't say dumb. This is being very frustrating to me. It's rude. Frankly, it's rude. Rude of this computer to do this. Yeah, so I can show you more of the editor, but you can't see this. So you'll just have to take my word for it, I guess, but there you go. It hates it because it thinks, I think you need to start the server independent of the client. Wait, what do you mean? Wait a second, I gotta make this fit the screen. Ow. This is what I'm sitting like from now on. I have a front end and a back end, but right now they're kind of intermingled. Isn't that how it do, or no? Also, I used to say localhost 8000. Why did it decide 3000 was the cool one? Whatever this is, I guess. Need to do yoga, y'all. I am not sure how to say your name, but 3R, thanks for the follow. Yoga is you're right. You're right. I think this like whole lack of exercising and moving thing is finally catching up to me though. So what is it that I am not understanding here? Does anyone know? Maybe, so my server.js, it says it's serving files from server.js, right? So we just collapse everything so we can just, everything will be nice and clean and everyone will be happy to a certain extent. Here's our server, baby. So if we do this, pop. Port, whatever. Yeah, see, I say an 8000, but is it just the browser sync that it's like, nah, bro? Also, if my scrolling is being janky, it's because it is. It's being janky. You don't know the answer. You've gotten lost with all the suggestions here. Actually, don't what? Oh, wait, don't look at the... Okay. I, too, am lost. I was distracted when we were working on this. I don't know what I was distracted with, but... I definitely was. Confusion. Not understanding. How long before I actually look at the docs? I don't know. I think I would have to have a better understanding of what we're doing right now to know that that's something I should be doing. But I'm a little lost. Wait, is this using the thing that we were using? This is just a painful color. Express browser. Wait, it's a different one. Ignore all that. Okay. Just read lower. This part? Oh, that's step 2. Get the power. Wait, didn't we already do didn't we already do a different one, or are we getting rid of that one now? What is the problem? God only knows. We can't get the browser to live reload when we're making changes in our what's it called? Our application. And so we've been trying to mess around with it for the past like half an hour. So puts live reload into the server. NodeMon is installed. But like, is that the thing that I've been using, or is it a different one? I think that's a different one, isn't it? Sudden fatigue. All right. We can be nice. I'm fine using whatever. I'm just upset that we had to use anything. I thought we could do this with literally just, what's it called? VS Code. I just can't even remember how I developed it. Like the front end beforehand. Did I just like refresh all the time? I don't think so. I really don't. NodeMon is for watching and reloading your server. Live reload is for reloading your browser. We've made a lot of changes in the past half an hour, so let's walk it back again. Oh, wow. Okay, we're focusing for 5 minutes. Well, that will be difficult because I'm actually not sure what it is that I'm doing, but we, it seems, don't want this thing. And then we want to go to this article. Where is it? This one. This article. And we want to do this. Sorry, y'all, can't look at the chat. Gotta focus. Even if you're being helpful. We'll just follow the article. Okay, so we have that now. Restart the server on changes. Currently, our server doesn't even restart when we make changes in source code. Our first step is to set NodeMon to watch those changes. The package.json add a watch script to enable it, which must be the www. What is the bin? That's what I feel like, putting this reload stuff in a trash bin. Gonna watch for changes in all project files, set or additional param ext with star. Specific extensions separated with commas. What is this even saying to us? You know, it's only been like a minute. Why is focusing so hard? It's fine. We're doing it. Now your Express.js server restarts automatically on any file changes but doesn't up to the browser or whatever. We need to require this stuff in our server.js, I'm guessing, because I don't have an app.js. I don't think I need this path one. Okay. And we want to copy that code probably. Create a live reload server and listen to connection events. When it starts Express server on changes, live reload recreates the server. When nodemon restarts the Express.js server on changes, live reload recreates the server and sends the browser a refresh command. Alright. So I'm guessing we need both of these then. Somewhere. Somewhere. Somehow. Someday. I don't actually know the song, so I'm just... Okay. Where is my stuff? Constantly live server, var express, app use, connect live, reload. It seems that I need... Actually, I'm doing this wrong. This needs to be higher up, Buttercup. Okay. Up here. Betamus. Yeah, hello. And the magic happens. I don't think it's gonna work for me though, because I didn't do that beginning thing. Which, honestly, I still don't understand this yet, but I guess I can copy it. So it says... Oh, it was 5 minutes. Wow. Okay. Y'all are saying all the things. Most useful part of the article is step 4. Refresh the browser on changes. Oh, I copied that part. But there's a var on it. Wait, it's a var on a blackboard. We need to immediately reject the blog article. It's infected. I'm reading the chat now. I'm just going back through it. What am I working on? So we are trying to set up a live browser reloader. What is it called? Live reload. So whenever we make a change in our code, it just reloads in the browser. Should I try putting it off and on? Oh, you know what? Damn it, y'all. Why didn't we do that? I have an app use line that needs to be lifted up. You're talking about the one I just put in? This one? Oh dear. Will you lift me up? Up here. Yonder. Under your const app line. Oh, this one. Right? That's a good place. Okay. Would it work at this point? Does this need to look different? Don't copy this. Didn't do it yet. But I would have if I had to focus for any longer. All right. Use Control Z until it goes back to NodeMon. And then in your terminal, use npm run start. Did it work? Hello? It hated it. Wait, why did it hate it? It said it liked it. It's having fun with its life. We can see it. Wrong port. Oh, you're right. Okay, thank you. Yeah. There we go. It's supposed to be a different color, but I'm not going to change it right now. So now we do the test. Glossary. I don't know why I picked 8,000 actually. I just did. So we got it with this stylish, gaudy red. So let's hopefully change that or be forever cursed to live with the consequences of our actions. Too bad Bobo's not a bonobo. You know what I'm saying? Bobo the bonobo. The weird thing is I changed it to gray, not red. How about this fuchsia? Nice. Hot pink. But now it's supposed to do the thing, right? Oh, okay. There it is. It's not doing it. It's still the red, and I'm not sure why. The red is not here anymore. It's kind of weird. You know why? Why? What is it? I don't know why. SAS isn't compiling. Oh, so we need to run our SAS as well at this point then. So we would say npm run SCSS. Hey, Finite, how was your stream this morning? Yeah, me neither, Tech. Let's... Is it doing it? It was good. Got the icky ugly hack you need to do working. Awesome. I wish we could get this icky thing working too. It's not like super broken, but this is not how I want this to like experience its life, you know. I don't want it to see red, I want it to see pink. And package JSON. So this is what it says right now. Oops, sorry. I apologize. Server.js file again. Let me know if you need to see more than just this. We do have another JSON file, a nodemon JSON file. Maybe we don't want that one or something. We could delete it. What if we try modifying one of the view files? Okay. Can do. Pas de problème. We want to do the glossary. That's where we at. So what if we actually everything in here isn't like part of anything? What if we say about here? Oh my god, that looks so good on a phone. Thanks, me and everyone who helped me 6 months ago. And all of you, don't worry. We wanted to say okay. So that's changed. That's good. Thank you, Blackboard. So why wouldn't it do it with the styling? Strange. Issue is the watch commands. Another dash dash watch. Oh wait, we have that. I was noticing for sure. I noticed. What? So we have npx nodemon dash l dash dash watch views dash dash watch sass dash dash watch public and also server. We got our compiler. It's working. It's doing shit. Oh, sorry. I just apologized to my terminal. Public CSS. All right. You know, there's this person with an Amazon that I watch on Instagram, and he's a Brit, and he says to his bird, "Hello, mate," and then the bird says, "Hello," and that's what's stuck in my head right now. Hello. Control C on your other terminal. npm run start. I wanted to get back to the glossary to see if we could change shit up. You wish you had 4K points now. Wait, why? Wait, it's pink. What's 4K points? Oh, British accent. Okay. Okay, wait a second. I can't remember anything that I was doing with my life, so that's cool. You have an idea? It might be working. There it is. Wait a second. That is a god-awful color. It is not, but it is not that awful red. I would be content with this being the color forever. TBH. After dash L, add dash E dot SCSS. Am I invoking the demon? Always. Always. What type of stream do you think this is? Did Eagle ever get back here? Because I gotta redeem their drinks. It's an anti-demon spell. No demon. Well, then I have to leave. So much for starting, but yes, I will do it. When you update package JSON, restart the server. Okay. It's like a bad lemonade. Gross. Bring it back to fuchsia, baby. It's too bright. I can't. Bruh. I feel that. CD, we're trying to get livereloader to work. So, like, just to have, whenever we make a change in our, whatever this is called, it to automatically reload it. But, it's not working. Who knew this would take at least another half an hour? I didn't. I didn't. Okay, I can't stand the yellow though. We gotta change it back. Oh wait, Blackboard, don't do that because it's not updated. Let me send you what I have. Or update it with what I have. How does that sound? Whoa, did you wait? Whoa, did you see that? It it works. Wait. Why? What just changed? Did you see it? My God. What fantastic. But why? What changed in like the 2 minutes we were complaining? What is it? What is it? What's the secret? What's the secret? What is it? I actually quite like this pink. It's kind of a nice complement to that blue. Sass might sometimes get compiled right after node.mon refreshes. Huh. And could we change that? And in this case, it compiled on time. Interesting. If we put it before... No, I don't know. Yeah, we had someone... Who was it earlier that was talking about Vite? Anyway, I understand, but the thing is... Hey, Vegas and Hanson, thanks for the follows. This was like my first application that I built, so it's not fancy. Excellent. I'm definitely going to watch that clip, but also not right now. In your start script, package.json after -l add -delay 1.5. Should delay it until after the Sass compiles. It's working out. Back away from the package.json. No, you can't make me. I've lived here for so long I can't leave. Should we see if we broke shit? Okay. What if we say... I'm really quite a fan of this pink, actually. What if we say that pink? Wait, that's not even different, bruh. Oh, no, it is. It worked! Hallelujah. Hey, Calico. Thanks for the follow. Wow. And now we have the capability to have beautiful colors like this. I can't believe we did that. How long did we work on that? Was that like an hour and a half? Might have been an hour and a half. How about a nice brown? Bet. You have one in mind? It's not letting me do the hover thing. Why? Hello? Why isn't it letting me do it? Well, I could just say brown, I guess. That is not brown. That is like ochre. Yeah, that's very much not brown. What the fuck? That is not the one, I know. But I... Oh, wow, look. Look at how much styling we normally do. I'm proud of us. We could, anyone, someone give me a nice brown in chat. RGB or hex or whatever you want to do. This is clearly an important thing to be doing right now. Now you can experiment with lower delays like 1.2, 0.8, 0.6. Okay. I feel like I'm going to leave it for now, but... Wow. Well, thank you. Thank all of you. Thank you, Blackboard. That was a journey I didn't even know I was embarking on, honestly. And then here we are at the end, and I'm like, what, the ocean? You know what I'm saying? Let's see it. Ooh. It's kind of red, isn't it? I think it's red. That looks awful. This is brown, not the general site. Right. You should only worry about big delays if you have a lot of CSS to build. So you're saying we shouldn't have it? This looks more like brown, I'll be honest with you. Spoken like a mountain girl. What the ocean? It's not accessible. Are we not liking the delay actually? What at neon green? Okay. How come sometimes it lets me do it and sometimes it doesn't? You know, I think this is the one. A 0.5 delay. Hey party, thanks for the follow. We could do 0.5. This one. Wow, I can't believe we did it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I got smart people up in here with me. Brighter green. I want it to burn your eyes, to scald your eyes, I think is what you're going for. But your wish is my command, so let's... How is this one? What do you think? This doesn't scald or burn your eyes already? Oh my god, it's even better. That's not what we're going for at all. I think this is the worst. A swatch suggestion tool? Wait, what is that? Background image linear gradient. Okay, we will do that. But first we gotta take a selfie. No, that's not what the kids say anymore, I think. I was just thinking first we gotta make this full screen so you get all that. Wait. Baby? Where is it? What happened to it? Baby? Oh, you know what? This is on a... This is on a small one. What is it called? The media query. I'm thinking we'll do the whole thing. Bruh. I just lost like four viewers in this moment. I know. Truly just a work of art. Oh my god, I can't even open my eyes fully. Okay. Can't do it. Ow. Green screen for the win. What special effects are you looking to do? Well, stick a Rufio head on like a gymnast and then do backflips because that's the only way I'm actually going to do that in real life. A color palette online. Wait, what is this for? Are you saying for an actual color palette? Because I think we figured it out. We were just joking around. But this does look quite nice. Oh, me gusta. I'm going to put it in my web dev folder, which I don't ever look at, but it warms my heart to know that it's there. Wait, what is the 545454? Five four five four five four. Oh, it's gray. Boring. No. I think there's an AI generator one out there that gives you suggestions based on the colors that you give it. Wow. All right, so this is how I'm publishing it. Does anyone want to show this to some higher ups in their companies and be like, clearly, this is a work of art? I'm thinking, yes, you do. Yeah. Blackboard. Is that a real one, Tech? It is not. I was ready for it though. Your web dev folder is there for you if you need it, like an ex-lover who is lonely and traveling. Okay, I have to stop it. I have to like not look this way. I just did magic, watch. Oh my god, how did I do that? Fantastic. Et voila. You'll never guess this magic trick. Web developers don't want you to know these 10 magic tricks in tech. I don't even know how to make up a bullshit thing that people say. I mean, it's definitely real. A very real thing that people say. Who is it? Who's texting me? Who is it? My sister. Okay. You just devoured this grilled chicken buffalo wrap so fast you feel guilty. Are you sure you're not an affiliate marketer, Dan? What you should have said was, I just devoured this. Where do they sell grilled chicken? Kentucky Fried Chicken grilled chicken buffalo wrap with 5 sauce so fast I feel guilty. If you're an affiliate marketer, you would be richer. I mean, it could be your first foray into affiliate marketing. I think we're gonna wrap up for today for this, just because I don't know, I probably need to do some yoga or my body's just gonna die or something. This was definitely a day. This was a stream for sure. Okay, I gotta close this app because it's really white and bright and white. That could be another future optimization. Darken mode. This was an interesting one. You just came back. Wait, you didn't see how we solved this? It was special for sure. Yeah. So great. I loved it. Tell you the answer. What was the answer? Live reload npm package. Are you saying your body's having a reaction? Was that just a dev joke? Because yes. We followed what Blackboard said and what was the article? This one. There it is. I think I should do some yoga after this. What do we think? Should we all do yoga after this? Individual yogas, though. I'm not streaming yoga. I'm sorry. You call tips on downward dog. No, go stretch and chill for the rest of the day. No, you. I will. You can do the Sun Warrior, whatever. That's not a framework or a library. Okay, but like, Sun Warrior is a technology. Can we just say like, oh yeah, I use Sun Warrior? I feel like that would be like a bomb, like, technology name. What do we think? I'm thinking yes. Is my voice doing weird shit? I think it is. It's like doing crackly stuff or something. I'm not sure. All right, thanks for hanging out with this extremely fun topic. Sorry I'm not streaming more. Take care of your bodies like I have not been, so that's cool. See y'all later. Have fun with the rest of your day, evening, night, whatever it is for you. And bye.